welcome back to my channel. And before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So I'm going to be showing you all how I did these box braids on myself. Yes, I said myself, don't mean to toot my own horn, but I mean so if y'all tired of spending $200 at the shop just to get some jumbo box braids, I'm gonna show y'all how to do them at home. Like, it's really simple. I know a lot of people probably have trouble braiding. I've been braiding since I was like 13, so it's just kind of like something I learned. It isn't the best, I'm not the best braider, but I mean, it gets by, it's cute. Popping. Okay, so just continue watching to see how I did it.
So I'm going to start by having freshly washed and blow dried hair. It just makes the process a lot easier. The products that I'm going to be using is Shine and Jam, fro comb and rat tail comb, rubber bands, any type of oil, and clips just to hold my hair. So I'm going to start by just parting my hair out. I want to do big sections for my triangles, so that's why you see I parted about 1 to 2 inches from the top of my forehead. Now that that's sectioned off, I'm going to go ahead and start my triangle parts. And as you can see here, I just parted diagonally. Did I say that right? Then I just put some jam on it, some Shine and Jam, just to further define that part. And this is how it looks after I put it in a ponytail. And I'm just going to do that pretty much all over my head. The parts in the back are a little off. I could not see the back, so I just did my best. So I'm using the Kanika line hair in number 1. And I start by sectioning off the hair by the thickness of the braid, and then I start stretching the ends of the hair because it kind of like makes it a lot thinner when you go to dip them. You don't want your ends to be big and bulky. It's just not cute. So then I go ahead and I comb out any tangles that may have occurred while stretching the hair, and it should look something like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and section the hair into 3 parts to go ahead and start my braid off. I forgot to tell y'all that I did use the oil on the ends of my hair because you don't want your hair to be dry. You want to always make sure your hair is very moist, especially in a protective style like this. And we finally made it to the last braid. I am super tired, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock this braid out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming my ends so I can get my hair prepped for dipping. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. My triangle parts, I did my baby hairs. I forgot to show y'all when I dipped them, but after I had trimmed the ends of the braids, I boiled some hot water and I put it in a bowl and I just like dip. You see I like to get my ends real straight looking. Like I just hate when the ends just be looking like thick. So yeah, I just like, I'll dip them in the water, lift up, dry, dip them, dry, and yeah, I put some oil, that oil that y'all seen in the beginning. This castor oil is only $1 at the beauty supply store, Dollar General, Family Dollar, wherever you go, Dollar Tree. It's only $1, you can't beat that. But I use that and I put some on my hands just to shine up my braids a little bit. I couldn't really see the back of my head, so these parts probably aren't really straight, but it is what it is. So this is how I do my own box braids, well, triangle braids.